So this is my keycap. I don't use it anymore, and because I don't use it anymore for a long time, so when I reboot it on my keyboard, it's become too tight. As you can see, too tight to fit it on my keyboard. So what do I do now? Right now I just need a hot air gun to make the steam. This one is the steam. We have 3 steam here, 1 2 3. All you can do is use a hot air gun to make it more soft to use. Remember, you just need 6 or 5 or 6 seconds to make it soft, and then you reboot it in your keyboard just like I did. And as you can see here, it's on. It's on. Yeah, you can see here, it's fit.